A child pushed his mother out of the car. To their shock, the body eerily floated away. By the time Duck Egg arrived at the scene, the body had drifted 5 kilometers away. This was the first time the anti-gravity effect of the fragments acted on a human body. Soon Duck Egg noticed something unusual. The floating body wasn't moving with the wind. It seemed to be drawn by some force. Dog Egg quickly put on gloves after untying the steel wire that was wrapped around the body. Sure enough, the unrestricted body began to move slowly. Seeing this, the others quickly followed. Not far ahead, they encountered a tornado. Several bodies were dancing in the wind. Everyone had never seen such a bizarre thing before. They took the bodies to the lab for research. While the forensic doctor was performing an autopsy, suddenly the body's eyes opened. It looked toward the doctor. The doctor, who was used to seeing corpses, wasn't surprised. According to the autopsy results, these people had no pulse or heartbeat, but their cells were still active. Strangely, the deceased's muscle nerves had been almost completely drained, and their cells were accelerating toward death. This woman must have come into contact with the fragments. The two hurried to investigate the deceased's home. Sure enough, as soon as they entered, they found another floating body. It seemed something even more terrifying had happened here. As they delved deeper, Dog Egg discovered a large fragment in the backyard. Nearby objects were affected. They were all floating in the air without the constraints of gravity. Dog Egg quickly took out his newly bought equipment to test. The radiation levels here were seriously over the limit. He urgently stopped Duck Egg from approaching because the last large fragment that fell evaporated an entire lake. The two rushed inside to investigate. It seemed like someone had just been there. The food on the dining table was still fresh. Duck Egg found a photo of the missing boy. He appeared to have a sister. After contacting her, more shocking news came. This boy had actually passed away 7 months ago, and at that time, he had been cremated.